everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa if you're new around here, and today I've got an Ikea haul for you. A couple of videos ago I showed you around Ikea and showed you all of the new bits in, and today I wanted to share with you a few of the things that I picked up when I went shopping there. So I've just put Orlando down for a nap, so I'm just in my living room, super cozy and autumnal in here. We've actually taken the dummy away from him today, so I've been trying to wean him off the dummy for a little while, and I just thought today let's just get rid of it and see how he goes. It took him 40 minutes to go down to sleep. I'm ready to film this video now, and let me show you what I got. So first of all, I've got a new Ikea bag. This is actually new in, so it's a beige Ikea bag and it's got a zip, which is actually fab. It was £1.50. They didn't actually have any of the blue bags, and we've got to bring our own, which is just typical. We forget it every time. So I can't find the receipt, which is just typical me, isn't it? So what I'll do is I'll link everything down below for you, and then you'll be able to see what the prices are. But first of all, there are a few things that I'll remember the prices of. So let me start with this one, because I actually showed this in my video when we went shopping in Ikea. This is some new bedding for Renzo. If you followed me for a while, you'll know that my son Renzo absolutely loves dinosaurs, and when I saw this bedding I thought I have to get it for him. It's just super cute blue dinosaur bedding, and I loved the colour of it. I thought it would be really lovely in his bed. He definitely needed some new bedding, although it's going to be almost time for Christmas bedding, but not quite yet, so this will do for now. So yeah, I got that. That was £15. I also got him this fitted jersey sheet. They didn't have any pillowcases there. I couldn't find a pillowcase at all, which was really annoying because I wanted to find the matching pillowcase. But anyway, I got this. It's called the Len sheet, and hopefully it'll fit his bed. I think it will. It was by all of the bedding and stuff, so fingers crossed it's not like one for a cot. If it is, I can use it for Orlando anyway. So I got that for Renzo. I also picked up a cushion for Orlando. This again is called Len, and it's just a small flat cushion for his cot because he's not got one at the moment, like a pillow for his bed. And I thought that this would be a nice transitional one because it's quite flat still, and I can just put that in his bed. So I got that, and then I also got a couple of pillowcase covers. There's two in here. These were super cheap, both under £5. I think they were like £2, £3. So I got those two for Orlando. So those are all of the bedding pieces that I got today. I then bought a few candles because actually I'm back into candles again. I think maybe it's because it's autumn now, and you know, we're all putting our candles and wax melts on. Candles just feel very cozy for me, so I thought I'd get a couple of scented candles from there. They had this one here. It's a 25-hour burn, which is quite a lot actually. It doesn't say what the scent is because I've got two of them. This one looks, I feel like this one's going to be like vanilla, and this one's got like a cinnamony kind of scent to it. Let me smell it, hold on. I can't even open it now. This has got, it's got like a vanilla and cinnamon kind of scent, that one. And then this one here is definitely more like vanilla, like proper vanilla scent. I don't even know. Why don't they put the names on here? I have no idea what they're called. But anyway, two candles. Quite neutral, quite autumnal. This one maybe kind of goes with my decor, so I got two of those. They had loads of candles in there, but I just grabbed those two. And then I also got some more tea light candles because I use these all the time with my wax melts. These are the 3.5-hour burn ones, and I know these are, well, they've got an ice cream on the front, but I'm guessing they're vanilla. I don't know, but I just get them because they're like neutral colours. So I got those, and I do like getting the scented tea light candles just because they add a little bit of extra fragrance to the room. So those are the candles that I got. And then another one for room fragrance, I got this, which I saw in there. I've never seen it before, and it's a bit like a reed diffuser. The reeds are not like your typical reeds, they're like thicker. I'm not really sure what they're made from, but they had two fragrances there. This one is a bergamot and blossom. They also had a lavender. I thought I would prefer the bergamot and blossom, to be honest, so I went for that one. They both looked really similar. Hold on. Should we just get it out? Oh my gosh. You know, when your baby's sleeping, you feel like you're making so much noise. It's like, this is what it looks like. So you get one of these little guys, and then these are your little reeds, which is cute, isn't it? That would just look nice on a shelf. It's kind of got like a citrusy kind of smell, but also it's got like a warmth to it as well. So that was my little reedy kind of diffuser guy. Don't know what it's actually called. I'm guessing it's like a reed diffuser. Let me know if you've tried them, if they last very long. The fragrance is not like overpoweringly strong, so I don't know if it's going to be that scented for very long, if that makes sense. They feel like they're wood or something. They feel wooden. but they're just a bit thicker than your usual one. So maybe, I wonder if I was to put like, you know, like Reed diffuser liquid in here, I wonder if that would work still once these have kind of lost their scent. I'm not sure, but got that one because it looked cute. I'm probably going to put it on maybe my shelf in here or in one of the bathrooms, possibly, not sure. I then got this little guy. I just thought this was really lovely and autumnal, so this obviously will light up. It's like a little dome and it will light up. You've got to put 2 AA batteries in there. I'll actually go get the batteries in a minute and we'll turn it on so you can have a look. But got one of those. I think it was around £6, something like that, but I quite liked it and I thought it would be cute. Like, you could use that all year round and it would still be nice. So yeah, got that. And then finally I just got a couple more bits. So I didn't want to get too much from Ikea. There was no point in like grabbing loads of things that I didn't need, but these are things that I really liked and liked the look of. And now when it comes to these last 2 items, plants, I don't know, the plants in Ikea can look a little bit unrealistic, I think, but these 2 are new in and I thought they looked so real. I actually picked it up and I thought it was a real plant, but it wasn't. This first one I actually saw a lady pick up and I was like, oh, that looks really lovely. And this is what it looks like. So it's a bit like, what is this plant? I don't even know. Let me know if you know what it's called. It's a bit like eucalyptus, but it's not, is it? 'Cause it's one of these dangly ones. But anyway, I just loved the colour of this one. It's really muted green, quite like a light colour. And then I also bought the pot, which I thought was lovely as well. So this would look beautiful on the shelves. When I get rid of the autumn decor, maybe, I'm not really sure when this will look nice on there. I think I need to have like a shuffle around with the shelves and then find a place for this because I think it's so, so pretty. So that was my first little plant purchase. Obviously it's fake. It's another faker one. Is it called faker? I don't think you pronounce the J. Faker? Faker? Something like that. That's what that looks like that. They do have like a darker green one, I think, of this in store as well. And then that is the pot, which I thought was really lovely as well. I'm terrible at pronouncing these. This one's a Dromsk pot, I think it's called, and it's like 9 centimetres that way, I'm assuming. Anyway, that's what I got there. Thought it looked cute like that. Very, very pretty. I love this kind of like soft muted colour scheme. Loved it so much. And then this was the plant I actually thought was real, so let me show you it. Oh my god, look how cute this is. I thought this would look really beautiful like in the kitchen, again on a shelf somewhere, in your bedroom, anywhere. I just thought, how beautiful is that? So this is the plant here. Again, it's another faker plant. They're all the same name. I don't know why they don't like call them something individual, but they're all sisters and brothers. So that's that one. Again, super realistic. Loved the like little leaves. I just loved it. And then this is a pot that was like near it, and I love that as well. Very neutral. It's got the kind of beigey base, which I liked, and then it's got this kind of more glossy top part. This is like matte down here, which is nice. I'm not even going to pronounce that. I'll link it down below for you, but that is that one, and that is what it looks like in there. So another beautiful little plant there. Just these 2 alone, these are my 2 favourite bits from this whole haul. I just think they look really lovely, and because I'm not really a plant person, I just can't really keep them alive. I'm not going to commit to it right now either, so these are going to be absolutely fine, and these just look really real. I think if people was to come into the house, they would think they are real. So yeah, those are my 2 favourite purchases. Let me know what you've been loving in Ikea recently. They've got loads of great bits at the moment, and like I mentioned on the last video, the Lego storage that they've just launched looks amazing. I can't wait to pick it up. It doesn't launch online until the 15th of October, but it has launched in store now from the 1st of October. So when I next go there, I'm definitely going to get some of that because there's literally Lego everywhere in this house. I've got a car on the mantelpiece over there. Got another one over there. Literally so much Lego in this house at the moment. The boys are loving it, but I want somewhere to put it nicely because at the moment they've just got this one big like plastic jar and everything is just chucked in there, so they can't really see anything. So I think if I get them the nice Ikea Lego boxes, that would be really good. That was everything that I got from Ikea. Thankfully, Orlando stayed asleep for the haul, so that was really good. But yeah, let me know what other videos you would like to see, if you would like to see any more homey videos or fashion, beauty. I know you guys enjoy the vlogs, so there'll definitely be coming more of them. And that's about it really. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, it would mean a lot to me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you